Today we've got some top pops from the subreddit Popping. Check out the credits if you're interested in seeing the original source videos. I'll show you a clip and then give you a short explanation. Here we go. Epic face zit. It took over a minute for them to squeeze all of that out. The patient definitely has acne, possibly spreading blackheads or solar comedones. Here's an infected sebaceous cyst on the arm, possibly MRSA. This one was done in a hospital, and the original video shows the whole procedure. Check it out. This one's called Pulling Things Out of Mind. Looks crazy, but it's probably a piece of iodoform gauze used as wound packing. Although I think the title was a Harry Potter reference. Maybe. Here's another huge cyst being popped. Do you think this looks infected? Comment below. This one wins for best title. Whoa. Well, the zit didn't look infected, but judging by those Q-tips, it probably is now. Quick public service announcement: if you have to pop zits, be careful. Use an extractor for blackheads. And just be aware that popping whiteheads and cysts can lead to scarring, infection, and secondary infection. So it's best left to the professionals. Which one did you think was the best or worst? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.